are back in Banff Alberta for another magical day. We're Nat and Max, and this is our tiny adventure seeker, Skylar.
Wow.
Banff has always been one of our absolute favorite spots in Canada. And this time, we're flying from BC to our neighboring province, Alberta, to experience the magic of Banff's winter wonderland. Wow! And yes, we may have picked a day to travel when Alberta is getting hit with a snowstorm.
It's really, really cold.
Actually forget how cold Calgary is. But hey, we did come for the snow. So the big question is, could there possibly be too much snow in Alberta? Or will we even make it to Banff at all? Buckle up, it's about to get snow crazy.
Just a reminder that there's standards for this boat. 737 each side of the house.
Good morning, you guys. From Calgary Airport, we are beginning our journey here today. We took the very first flight out of Vancouver so we can get here early and drive off to Banff so we can maximize our day. And you guys could see that Skylar's already enjoying all of the Christmas decorations here in the airport.
So we left really early this morning and Skylar is still wearing her pajamas.
Nothing really more comfortable than flying in your pajamas, hey Sky?
Oh no!
Oh no, Mimi! So, well, there's a few different ways that you can get to Banff from the Calgary Airport. We're choosing to rent a car today because it's going to be a little bit more comfortable for Skylar. But since we chose the cheaper route for car rentals, our car rental company is actually off-site, so we gotta figure out how we're gonna get there from the Calgary Airport.
Skylar, it's ready to go. Raise your hand. Oh my god. Our mouths are smoking. It's so cold.
I just saw a car pass by covered in snow.
Oh my gosh. Sky, is it cold?
It's been so long that we've felt this cold that you almost actually forget how cold Calgary is.
Baby, you blow. The baby's frozen.
Well, it says it's minus 13 right now.
One eternity later.
So after about an hour, we finally got our rental. To be honest, it felt a little longer than it should be. One, because it's off-site, so you gotta factor in like the drive here, although they provide a shuttle. And two, the car wasn't ready when we got here. So the brighter side of things is we get to go to Banff now. Who's ready? Can I see?
Yeah.
Did you see the snow outside?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cold. Hey, singing. Driving here in the Rockies brings back so many memories. Driving here in the Rockies. It's a cold one, hey?
So cold.
So we just did a quick stop and bathroom break. We're halfway through our drive to Banff and we're seeing a lot of mountains right now. It is getting a little bit colder now that we're in the Rockies.
Yeah, it's super cold. I'm shivering.
I think the Vancouver weather has spoiled us a little bit. That's why we're a little weaker now onto cold. But we're loving it. We're loving what we see. There's a lot of snow. And one thing I do appreciate with this drive to Banff is the cheaper gas. Okay, all set?
Yes.
Who's ready to go?
Ready to go. Next stop, Banff.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red.
You guys, we have made it to beautiful Banff, Alberta again. It's nice to be back, right?
Yeah, it's really, really cold.
What a way to make this a more of an iconic Banff day than actually having some flurries. Look at us. We're covered in snow right now.
Yeah, and Skylar is clearly enjoying it.
It actually took us a while to get here because one, it was snowing, so the drive here was a little bit slower just for safety. And two, we had a really hard time getting Skylar into a snowsuit. So what do you think, Sky?
This little one doesn't like to wear jackets, especially when it's cold. And now it's winter season, so she has to learn how to wear a jacket. And as you'll notice, she's also not wearing a hat because she doesn't like to wear the winter hat, even wear a hood and a pair of gloves. Even an umbrella. Oh my gosh! How many degrees is it today?
Minus 13.
Plus wind chill.
Maybe.
Is your name Elsa? Good morning, it's another beautiful day here in Banff, and it's really amazing to wake up to all of this white snow by the mountain. Now that she's more vocal and she's now appreciative of everything around her. So now you can hear her say a lot of wows, oohs, and ahs, and even Santa.
Wow.
It's going to be fun to play in the snow today because last night there was a heavy snowfall. So it's nice and fluffy and everything is white. Skylar, are you excited to play in the snow?
Yes.
Are you wearing your snowsuit?
Yeah.
And your hat?
Yeah.
Ah, you said that, huh?
Are you going to make a snowman
Yeah.
and snow angels?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
And also due to the heavy snowfall last night, we just packed it in early and checked into our hotel. So we are staying at the Juniper Hotel here in Banff. Some of you guys may know how expensive it is to stay here in Banff because it's a major tourist destination here in Canada. But I think we got a good deal with the Juniper Hotel. Although this hotel isn't really located in the town of Banff, it's somewhat located within the woods, about 5 minutes away from the town. But I feel like it still adds to the experience. You get a pretty nice view of the mountains over here. And as per usual, we're gonna put a link to this hotel in the description below so you guys can check it out.
Oh my god.
So cold! The weather threw us a curveball at first, but that didn't stop us from soaking in the incredible beauty of Banff. Glad we splurged a little on the 4x4 rental. It gave us the confidence to tackle those snowy roads. Plus, taking it slow meant we got to enjoy the mountain views and breathtaking scenery along the way. Stick around for our next video where we'll be diving into some serious holiday magic in the Canadian Rockies. And who knows, we might just bump into a guy in a red suit and share a few laughs.